Full name, sir?
My name is Carlos Lorenzo of the family Durham.
Hold on a second, we know Carlos from the Durham family. I actually just covered his case recently.
My name is Carlos of the Durham family, and I'm here as executor of the estate named in this matter.
Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So, here's the latest Mr. Name of the Durham family missed a court-ordered appearance. And as expected, a bench warrant was issued. Law enforcement located him shortly after and took him into custody to ensure he addresses his legal obligations. Safe to say, he won't be missing any more court dates moving forward. Let's break down what happened.
Thank you, Mr. Durham, for your patience, sir. And on these matters, the court is scheduling a pretrial February 14th. And this is in regard to case V124588121, August 25th, 2021. No dog license. Same date, time, and location for V124582221, August 25th, 2021. Failed to vaccinate dog against rabies and or provide proof of vaccination. 3 additional matters, one at a time. State your full name, Mr. Durham.
Carlos Lorenzo of the family Durham.
Sure. For waive formal reading and or plea of not guilty. Mr. Durham, the court scheduling a pretrial date on this matter via Zoom. You must attend February the 27th, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court in front of Judge Bryant. Understood?
I hear you.
Yes, you're clearly in custody, so hearing the judge isn't the issue. But that wasn't the question. The real question is, do you understand? And considering your repeated failure to appear in court, it's completely fair for the judge to double-check whether things are finally clicking for you this time.
And this is a very serious non-assaultive allegation, Mr. Durham, and the court has concerns that you missed a court date on this matter, as well as 2 other matters that we're about to handle. And your capious history, Mr. Durham, tells the court you do not listen to the court as ordered to appear, and that's concerning where if the court were to release you on another personal bond, sir, you treat it as you have in the past and disregard court's orders and simply not appear. And that's unacceptable, Mr. Durham. You must appear as ordered. So the court, based on your capious history, take into consideration the information presented by counsel, including that limit to employment status as relates to the ability to post bond, the nature of the charge, as well as the information alleged in the investigator's report, is setting, based on your capious history, is going to continue the bond set by Judge Bryant of 110%. Is that an affordable bond?
It's not.
Okay, so on that matter, the court is setting an unaffordable bond redetermination hearing.
Now, I'm not here to criticize anyone's financial situation. Times are tough for a lot of people. But think about this. Choosing the sovereign citizen path and ending up in a position where even a $10 fine feels out of reach. That should probably be a wake-up call that it's time to reconsider your strategy.
During this bond, you are not to purchase or possess a firearm or any dangerous weapon, and you are not to drive any motor vehicle unless you have a valid driver's license. Is that understood?
I don't drive, Your Honor. I travel. I'm not driving ever again in life. I travel, so I don't need a license.
Oh, great, another travel card believer who insists that operating a motor vehicle on a public road is no different than walking from one end of a hallway to the other. Spoiler alert, it's definitely not the same thing.
Well, yes, you do, Mr. Durham. There's no traveling behind a motor vehicle. I'm not arguing with you, Mr. Durham. Excuse me?
I've already read the Supreme Court case law. I have a right to travel, sir.
Okay, well, I have a right to impose bond and conditions of bond, Mr. Durham, and I'm telling you, whether you call it traveling or driving, there's to be none of that behind a motor vehicle. You're not to travel if you're operating a motor vehicle or drive. No driving or operating of a motor vehicle, regardless of what you call it. Understood, Mr. Durham? No driving or traveling if you're the operator. Is that clear? And you're not to leave the state of Michigan. Is that understood?
I heard you.
And that's no driving, period. That's regardless of your license status. There's to be absolutely no driving. Or traveling. Okay, I said no traveling either.
Driving is up.
No traveling. Just put that as a positive. No traveling.
So that means I can't even go to court if I can't travel. I can't leave my house.
It's via Zoom. It's via Zoom. It's via Zoom. No traveling. The court dates are via Zoom. No traveling unless court ordered.
That's a violation of my rights. And I will appeal this in a higher court.
Did you want to address his traveling, counsel?
I'm sorry.
Did you want to address his argument that he can't, that he can travel?
He's going to comply with court orders.
And that means no driving and no traveling. Is that correct, counsel? No traveling
Um,
unless court ordered. Yes, I can't leave the state of Michigan, and he cannot. Would he drive or travel? Which my understanding is him operating any motor vehicle. Is that understood? Thank you.
I've got to say, I really respect this judge. He basically says, if you're too wrapped up in your own delusions to admit you were driving a car, fine, I'll just order no travel and cover all bases of your legal nonsense.
Okay, Mr. Durham, this is a very serious allegations. Again, you have a capious history on this matter. The bond was set by the judge when you failed to appear. You have a number of capious histories on this matter. It looks like you were originally given a personal bond, then you failed to appear on about September 1st of 2022, given a 10,000 cash surety, and then you failed to appear again December 14th of 2022, and then a judge will give you another 10,000 cash surety. I, as a magistrate, as counsel stated, have no, one moment, I'll let you address the court. One moment, Mr. Durham. Have no authority to amend the capious bond as set by the judge for your failure to appear. So for that reason, the bond is going to be continued as set by the judge of December 14, 2022 in the amount of $10,000 cash surety. During this bond, you are not to purchase or possess a firearm or any other dangerous weapon. No driving, no traveling unless court ordered. You will be fit with the GPS tether under house arrest if you're able to make bond. And no use of any alcohol or illegal controlled substance. Is there anything further, counsel?
I would respectfully ask the court to reconsider the GPS tether, Your Honor.
He's missed court on every matter before the court this morning, so no.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, I haven't.
Anything?
I done came to court a couple times on Zoom, on a tether. I done been to court.
But not all of the times it does not appear, Mr. Durham. It looks like you missed court more than once on that matter that we just handled. Anything else on this matter, counsel?
On account of the county jail. I missed court on account of the county jail. They wouldn't take me to court. I missed court because of the county jail would not take me to court. That's not my fault.
Tuned. And don't worry, Wayne. County Jail made sure that Carlos won't be missing any more court dates. Let's just say he's not thrilled about that. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If not, hit the dislike either way. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss what's coming next.